world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we back with another video. So today I want to talk to the winners. Let me have a conversation with the winners. As a matter of fact, let me have a conversation with the people that want to be winners. This is going to let you know if you have what I call a winning mindset. Here's some traits that you can look for inside yourself. And if you don't feel like you have all of these traits, you can write these down as I rattle them off and go through them and see if you possess these winning traits, because I like to talk to winners. I like to surround myself around winners. I don't have time for negative thinking people. You know what I'm saying? Like that's never been my thing. That's why a lot of things that I put my hands on, I succeed in them, because I stay focused until I win. Let's see if you have what I like to call the winning mindset. Number one, winners are disciplined in all areas of their life. Discipline is so important. It's so important because if you don't stick to a task, if you don't stay completing what you start, you'll give up. If you quit on things quickly, that's not a winning mindset. Winners don't do that. Winners stay the course until they win. They stay the course until they win. They stay disciplined, right? So that's the first trait. Being disciplined, you have to be very disciplined in business. Doesn't matter what business you start, you have to be disciplined. Winners treat others well, regardless of who they are. They treat others very well. They want to see other people win. That's a winning characteristic trait. They're not talking about people. They're not worried about, well, who's doing what. They're worried about the people that want to work and get something done. They're worried about other people that want to win. So that's what winners do. Number three, winners remove their ego. Winners remove their ego. Another term for ego, ego. I like to call that edging God out. So winners remove their ego. That's very important. Think about that. So you got to remove the ego. Winners are humble. Winners remove their ego. That's the third characteristic trait. That's the third trait that winners have. Number four, winners are some of the smartest workers in the room. Some people say hard workers, but I like to say smart workers. Winners work smart. Number five, winners know their priorities and they stick to them. They set them goals and they stick to them. As I'm rattling off these characteristic traits, continuously ask yourself, am I doing these things? Am I doing these things? Am I putting forth this type of effort in my business, into myself, in my life? Am I pouring this into myself? Number six, winners respect others' time. They show up early. They show up early. They show up early to meetings. You know what I'm saying? So winners respect others' time. That's very important. You can't be late everywhere. You can't show up late all the time. I like to be prompt. If I give you a time, I'm gonna be there. I'm one of those type of people that if I tell you I'm going to do something, you best believe I'm gonna do it. If I say I'm doing it, I'm doing it. If I say we doing this thing, we doing this thing. When my phone call comes through to most people, they pick up the phone. Because if I call, it's business. They already know something going on. If I'm calling your phone, something going down. But it's good to have that perception with people, for people to see you like that. People know when they see you call, it's business. Something's happening. Bigg Vic calling me. You know what I'm saying? So, but I've always been like that. I've always been like that. That's another characteristic trait that winners have. Number seven, winners visualize success. They see it before they see it. I hope y'all caught that. Winners see it before they see it. If you can close your eyes right now, just for a second. Close your eyes for a second. I'm just a quick exercise, y'all. Close your eyes for a second. Think of one of your most favorite beaches, one of your dream beaches that you would want to be on for a second. Just think about it, just visualize. I just want you to close your eyes for a second. Think about the beach that you would love to be on, your dream vacation beach. I know you see the blue water. Whatever you're sipping, I know you see yourself sipping that. But if you can hold on to that vision and see that thing in your mind and continuously repeat that, replay it in your head, and then start taking action to move yourself toward that thing, that's what winners do. Winners continuously see it until it manifests into physical form. One of the most powerful exercises you can do Write down your ideal day. I made a video a while back on that. Write out your ideal day. The good book says it well. Write it down and make it plain. You have to see it. You got to visualize that thing. You know, they did a study one time. I hope I say this right, but they did a study one time. They took some professional basketball players and some non-professional basketball players, right? And they had a group of people that would visualize themselves shooting free throws. They would visualize themselves shooting free throws. And then they had people actually in the gym practicing their free throws. Do you know that the people that actually visualize their free throws outperform the people that were actually in the gym practicing their free throws? That's how powerful visualization can be for you. So winners visualize their success before it ever happens. All of the things that you see me achieving, that you've seen me achieve, from music to this trucking, just business in general, all the things that you've seen me work towards, I visualized this stuff already. I visualized it. I held the thought in my brain, in my mind, in my subconscious mind, until these things started manifesting for me, all of it. So it's powerful, it works. The power of visualization is very strong. So winners love to visualize their success before it happens. You have to do that. That's part of the process. Number 8, a lot of winners wake up on time. They wake up early. They get to it early. They like to get up early and start getting things done. Are you doing that? Just ask yourself, am I doing some of these things? Number 9, winners persist until they succeed. There's something that I do. Give you an example. We're right now in this in the 2-story right now, temporarily, right? The other day, a couple days ago, I was hooking up my projector to the laptop and I couldn't find the cord to work for my wife's laptop. So she's like, we'll just watch it on the laptop. I'm like, no, I know I could do this. I already know how to connect the Bluetooth, the sound bar to the laptop and all that stuff. She was already like, let's just watch it on. I said, no, I know I can do this. I've done this before. Listen, I didn't stop until I actually got everything connected and was able to watch the movies from the laptop and projected it onto the wall. But I wasn't gonna quit. That's just something that's always been in me. I'm gonna keep on messing with it or keep at it until I get it, until it's like I need it to be. That's just a trait that winners possess. Winners are not going to quit until they succeed. You cannot quit. Failure is not an option. Don't quit. It may look hard. It may be hard. That's okay. That's part of the process. It's gonna be there for you. It's waiting for you. What you're seeking is seeking you. Trust me, it's there. Winners don't take no for an answer. Listen, let's go to trucking for a second. Because someone says no, that doesn't mean no forever. That's just no for right now. Your authority is 30 days. Your authority is 60 days. Your authority is 90 days. So what? That's just one broker. If you didn't book that load, it's okay. You keep calling until somebody says yes. Somebody will say yes. They will say yes. You have to keep calling. No doesn't mean it's over. No doesn't mean trucking doesn't work. No doesn't mean you shouldn't have started this business. That's not how winners think. Winners don't think like that. No is not an option for winners. No is not an option. I seen a video a while back, and I think Diddy it was a documentary on the whole bad boy thing, and I remember Diddy was he wanted to get in the magazine or something like that, and everybody he was calling was saying no, and he kept on going through the chain of command and talking to this person and that person until he got a yes. And I just felt it through the screen when he was like, I will not take no for an answer. He persisted until he got that yes, till he got what he wanted to be done. You gotta fight for what you want out here. You really have to fight for what you want. If you want it, go after it, go get it. I'm hungry, like Les Brown says, you gotta be hungry. You gotta be hungry. Some people's hunger level is down here. Some people's hunger level is up here. Winner's mindset. Winners turn obstacles into opportunities. How many times have I turned obstacles into opportunities? Plenty of times. When I think of all the things that I've tried and things that I've invested my money into, I've turned obstacles into an opportunity. Some things that you try to do may not work, but that doesn't mean it's the end of the road for you. That doesn't mean you have to quit. That doesn't mean you give up. It's okay. Listen, you're on the path that you're on right now for a reason. You're on the path that you're on right now for a reason. And I'm the type of person that I'm not gonna lose sleep over it, right? If it's something that I keep thinking about and I'm losing sleep, I gotta make it happen. I don't like to lose sleep over something that I really want and I know that I could have and I know that I deserve. I'm not gonna lose sleep. I'm gonna go make it happen. I'm going to get that thing that I know I'm supposed to have. And for me, that's freedom. That's my freedom. I like to be free. What about you? What about you? Drop down in the comments. Drop down in them comments. We're gonna have a conversation today. I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer, but in these comments, we're gonna have a conversation. We're gonna talk about this thing. This one is so important. I wanna say this is 13. Winners know success and wealth can be a long journey, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. If I know it's there, if I know I can make it, and I know it's not going anywhere, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with pacing myself and getting to the bag. I'm okay with it not happening overnight for me. Because in this business, it's not gonna happen overnight, right? It's not gonna happen overnight. Yes, you can make money in this business, but it's not going to happen overnight. And that's okay, because success takes time. I don't know if a lot of people understand that, but winners understand that success takes time. But once you build it, that's the thing. Once you build it, it's there. Once you set it up, it's there. Number 14, winners invest in themselves. I gotta say that again. Winners invest in themselves. They don't mind investing in themselves. They don't mind that. Winners do, I'm gonna say that again, you guys. Winners invest in themselves. They don't mind taking a risk. Everything is not a scam. Winners invest in themselves. Shout out to everybody that invested in my course that I put out. Shout out to my mentees that are in my mentorship program, because these people understand that in order to be the best and become the best in what you're doing, you want to learn from people that know what they're doing in this industry. And it doesn't matter if they haven't been doing this for 15 years. It doesn't matter. I've seen people in other industries that have been in their industries for 6 months and teaching what they learn to other people that know nothing about their industries. So winners invest in themselves. The people that don't invest in themselves are some of the people that are probably not even doing the business no more right now, other than the money that they spent to get started in the business. And then once they got in, they really couldn't figure out how to make, everything work. Like I said, winners invest in themselves. We'll leave that right there. And number 15, winners are authentic. Winners attract other future winners. They draw them right to them. You can tell a winner when you see one. You can tell a winner when you see one. You can tell how they move. You can spot them just like that. They walk into a room and you can immediately see. You say to yourself, man, who is that? He look like he knows something. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You look at a person and be like, yo, he look like he knows something. He look like he making moves, right? So winners can spot other winners. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The winners know what I'm talking about. So I just wanted to give you guys just a few things to think about when it comes to the mindset that is going to take for you to win in every area of your life. The winning mindset is a different mindset. When you build that up, it doesn't matter what you do, what industry you get involved in, the money's gonna flow to you. The money's gonna come to you. Why? Because you already possess the attributes that it takes to make things click when you put your finger on it, when you put your hands on it. It's automatically gonna take off. Because you're already set up. You've already programmed. You are already programmed for success. Have the winning mindset. Get the winning mindset. If you don't have it, if you're working on it, keep working on it. Gotta have that mindset. That's so important. So important. Appreciate y'all tapping into the content, man. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's winning out here in business. I appreciate you guys tapping in with me. Appreciate y'all, just supporting everything that I've been doing. I'm just excited. I'm excited to be on this journey. I'm excited to watch other people's journeys as they progress in this business, to kind of see where they started at and where they're going right now. That's important to me. Man, y'all drop down in the comments, man. Drop down in them comments. Let's chop it up. Let's chop it up in the comment section. Are you ready to win? If you're ready to win, smash that thumbs up button. If you're ready to win, drop a comment down below in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Always hustle. Never stop growing until I drop the next video. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat, baby.